Hi, good morning.
Hi, this is Mobitech mobile repairing class at Vapi. Welcome to Vapi.
Please tell me mobile repairing course.
Okay, give me a 5 minutes of you full detail of this course. This course is just a month, and this 2-month mobile repairing hardware, software and practical. Okay, complete detail knowledge of mobile phone operation. Introduction of latest technologies like GSM, DCS, PCS, GMA, Edge, GPRS, 3G, infrared, Bluetooth etc. Introduction of different kind of memory cards like CF1, CF2, compact flash. Practical at theory of following. Introduction of voltage, current etc. Introduction and use of multimeter. Introduction, construction, and testing of following basic electronic construction and application of integrated circuits, AUX, A to Z microprocessors. Practice in various types of soldering, A to Z desoldering components using latest tools. Jumpering technique.